Nope.
You're gonna poop now.
That one's a pooper.
Yeah, boy. I don't know if he'll come to you or not, bud.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that guy's got 4 or 5 of them on him. Look at him. Be careful, because baby used to go up in our hair. Get on your neck.
Not the baby.
Mommy used to have a parrot.
Look,
Not
you named your parrot baby too?
That was the only parrot I named Baby.
You named your hamster. What did you name your hamster?
No, the hamster was
Come
Baby.
on, give me the juice.
Yeah.
I need some
I forget what we called a parrot.
Hey, look at him. What?
Birdman from Alcatraz.
Hey.
He was the brave soul. He gets the reward.
What a beautiful coloration.
God, it's so cute.
Can I see these? Can I see?
Oh.
Can you take a video of
We could.
the talking bird?
Aiden, stop being scared.
No, your mommy did.
Alright, ready?
When we get home tonight. Talking bird.